There are 5 design niches that constantly sell super well in print on demand. So to help you make more money, I'm going to go over each niche and then show you how easy it is to use Kittl to make designs in those niches for your shop. Now, these 5 niches are coming straight from a conversation that I had with Juna from Detour Shirts, where we were actually talking about using AI to create t-shirts. But 1, make sure you check out that interview, which I will link in the cards for you. And 2, make sure you go and check out Detour Shirts on YouTube, because he is one of the print on demand masterminds, and he is going to give you amazing guidance on not only t-shirts, but other products for print on demand. First up, we have animals. The animal niche is undoubtedly an evergreen niche because 1, there are so many animals, and 2, there is so much that you can do inside this niche and sub niches, from creating clubs about animals or creating just a funny slogan or t-shirt based on a certain animal, to silhouettes with type inside of it, and so much more. Now let's look in Kittl, and on the homepage I can simply search animal here in the search bar and look at all of these amazing templates that you can get started with. Everything from serious logo style designs to cute and silly designs are readily available for you to start editing. But not only do we have those templates to help you, we also have Kittl AI, where you could easily craft a text prompt and get a design that you want for, let's say, kawaii style panda bears, which would be perfect for not only shirts but stickers as well. Let's move on to niche 2, which is scenery. Now, the scenery niche will always be evergreen because this category is covering everything from landmarks, national parks, camping, forests, landscapes, all of that kind of stuff. And this could be cities and skylines too. It doesn't have to just be a forest or a rainforest. It can be a national monument or a landmark or something like that. So let's look back in Kittl and let's type in scenery, and look at this. So many templates, including 2 right here at the top from Detour Shirts, that beautifully illustrate this niche, showing an overall landscape masked inside shapes and letters. So just get creative with how you're going to personify this scenery niche, because there are so many different ideas, and if you can't find illustrations in Kittl, you can use Kittl AI to come up with these different scenes. Now, niche number 3 should be no surprise, which is plants and flowers. And I challenge you, while you're out tomorrow walking around, see if you don't see anyone wearing a shirt with some sort of floral element on it. I bet you will not be able to go the whole day without seeing a shirt with a floral element on it. And it's not hard to see why this niche is so popular, because on top of having so many different kinds of flowers, there are so many different kinds of styles to show these flowers. Everything from vintage, everything from botanical style, Victorian style, all the way up to modern and streetwear style of florals. There's just so many ways to show off different plants and florals. So back in Kittl, let's type in flowers, and as I scroll here, you can see so many different styles of designs, from vintage to modern to retro mascots of flowers and everything in between, and all of these floral elements can be found in our easy to use elements library right here. And if you can't find one you like, again, go down to Kittl AI and generate florals in a variety of preset styles we already have for you. Next up, we have the food niche. Similar to the last 2 niches, there are just so many types of food, and there are so many ways to illustrate food. And once you narrow down into a sub niche of food, like let's say ramen, for example, then you can really dive in and research what people are wanting in terms of what they would wear on a shirt or a hat or a sticker or something like that, and really create endless designs in that sub niche of the food category. And a pro tip for you is humor and food really mix well together. For example, here's a template from Kittl that says everything will be all right, donut worry, be happy. I mean, that's brilliant, great illustration, great pun. And here's another that says in pizza we crust, which is a nice play on words, and of course it's a stellar looking design. Now, the last niche that always sells well is skulls and skeleton designs. Skull designs always sell super well because they really do fit a variety of topics, and not just things like scary or Halloween or horror, but also humor, biker style designs, and most recently the streetwear and Y2K style designs. And just to prove my point that this niche is popular, let's quickly search Etsy for funny skull shirt. And we can see right here, there's a ton of the same slogan design here from different sellers, as well as other pun shirts in this niche. Now let's go back to Kittl and search skull and look at all of these amazing templates that are ready for you to start editing. So there are the 5 niches that continually perform well when it comes to print on demand, especially if you are selling on places like Etsy, Amazon Merch, Zazzle, Kittl, TeePublic, or even your personal shop. It's all about researching these niches and the sub niches to come up with a winning concept and then using Kittl to easily craft the designs for those concepts. Now, again, don't forget to check out that interview that I had with Juna about utilizing AI for t-shirts, but not only t-shirts, other products were mentioned in that interview, which you can check out in the cards or down in the description. And let me know in the comments if you have had success using these niches in print on demand, or if you plan to start using them. I would love to know. Give me your thoughts down in the comments. Now, if you want to see other tutorials using Kittl, I have these videos here on my right that I know you're going to enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any upcoming videos and features and things like that. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.